and we're back. During lockdown, I had a lot of time on my hands to sit and think about the future of rodding in South Africa. Especially what is available, what can we do to improve this industry? Because it's close to my heart, it's a passion, and I'm getting old now, but there's youngsters out there that could consider a nice rod. And I had an opportunity just after lockdown to come across 34 free window body molds, and I grabbed it with both hands. The molds was not in a very good nick, so we had to do a lot of work to get it up to standard. It's not on my standard yet. First bodies has been done, the lamination has been done. At this stage, my standard is a bit higher than the product that we have available. We're still busy improving the molds. We're still busy improving the product. We've been sourcing the best resins and chemicals out there to give the best quality of product to the market, affordable to whoever wants to build himself a decent rod. My standard is, once a body is done, I want it to be as if it was done in a factory years ago. So I don't want people to see offhand that this is a fiberglass body. I actually want them to ask me if it's fiberglass. That's the standard that I want to reach with our product. We did a mold as well on a 42 gel ball. That will be available soon as well. I reckon plus minus end of November, the first bodies will come out of production. And we are very, very excited about that as well. And yeah, that's not the end. We plan a couple more. At this stage, we just want to perfect what we're busy with. So for the interim, in the nearby future, watch the space. There might be something quite different in the fiberglass body available, affordable to whoever wants to build a rod and can't spend 700,000 or 800,000. We're busy with molds on a Roadster. That will be available in January, early February, we hope. It takes a while to do a proper mold, to get it up to spec. People think it's easy to slap fiberglass onto something, pull a mold, and there you go. It is doable, but you will not have a perfect finish. There's different fenders available. You can have the full fenders with a 34 grill surround, bonnet, bootlet, running boards, or you can go, like we call it, the bike fenders, the small fenders just fits on the wheels, again with everything else. We are in the process of building engine covers, side covers. The molds unfortunately didn't have that when we initially bought the molds, but that will be available soon, louvered like a proper rod. We obtained a chassis with the first buy, and we've perfected that. We've got a nice curve back into the chassis front, because the one that we got was straight and didn't fit the car like the way I wanted. So we are in the process of building and fabricating our own chassis as well. It's available. We can do it as a rolling chassis. At this stage on a Jack XJ6 suspension front and rear. We are developing independent suspension front and rear of our own. I'm busy working with Phoenix Rage Motorsport Galley. We putting heads together to do a proper suspension that will be available, maybe a bit cheaper than doing a jack suspension, because that's getting quite expensive these days to overhaul and refurb. With the development of the bodies, we started importing wiring harnesses, steering columns, light bezels. We're busy doing our own design on the headlights. The headlight that we sourced and is available at this stage is basically what is available in the market. But I want to put something different on these cars as well. We can offer you anything. We can offer you from motors right through drivetrain, performance exhaust, stainless steel, all through. We can do exhaust cutouts for you. Whatever you imagine or visualize or dream about in your specific rod, speak to me, I might be able to help you. The shop at this stage, my dream, I've had this dream for many years, and I've said it, and I'm preaching it today. This will be the biggest rod shop in South Africa, and might be one of the biggest in the world as well. That's my dream. I might not be able to see the end of it, but as I said, with a young guy at the end of it, and a couple others, there's others here. My two daughters are into the upholstery business as well, doing perfect work on these cars. So I'm quite chuffed. So the shop is growing daily. So watch out, guys. We are there. And if you want to come and visit us, you're more than welcome. We're here in Old Kempton Park, Spartan. And if I can give my address, 62 Steel Road. And yeah, that's how easy it is. So if you want to come and see what we're doing, we've got a project in mind, we've got a couple of ideas that you want to share, please feel free, feel welcome to pop in and share some time with us.